Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics matte lip tar in Black Dahlia. And it is a really dark color. It's hard to even read what it says on here. I'm gonna have to pull this away and take a look at it really quick to tell you what it says, or if I can read it through here. So it's the Lip Tar matte. And what is lip tar? I can hardly make that out. It applies like a gloss. It's ultra pigmented. Let's see what else it says. It's really hard to read. How to use. It says to use with a lip primer and a liner. I would say a dark liner. Wear the lip tar shades alone or mixed with another color. It's also 100% vegan and cruelty free. So a little bit about the back. It says here, yeah, prime lips and with lip tar primer allowed to absorb. So this is going to be more of a stain. Dab a small amount onto the little brush that is included, which is this little magical thing. Dab a small amount of lip tar onto the matte onto the brush. Apply to the lip, to the center of the lips, and blend outward towards the line. Now this is something I wouldn't normally. I think it would be good for Halloween. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit on my arm to see what the color kind of comes up. So it's kind of almost a blood red rather than a black, even though that's what it looks like in the tube. But this is a lip stain. Like I said, you're gonna want a liner. You're gonna want like a dark liner to go with this. But as you see, it's ultra pigmented. It actually has a nice shine to it. It's a black red, kind of a gothic reference, using the Black Dahlia because of the Black Dahlia murder that happened in Los Angeles. You can go a little lighter with it if you want. So yeah, like I said, it's not a lipstick, it's a stain. It takes a little bit longer for it to absorb. You can also blot this, have the stain, and then put it on again so it will stay a little bit longer. So you see it's kind of a mauve-y red color. Really pretty. Not something I would wear every day, but like I said, I might wear something like this for Halloween, but not a bad thing to keep in your beauty arsenal, especially if you like darker lipsticks. And we like that it's vegan and cruelty free. Means they don't test on any animals, especially bunnies. You don't want any bunnies hurt in the process. I'm just going to I'm going to see how easy it is to remove with some makeup remover. Now that we know that it's not a black and more of a red, which you can see, I'm just going to use the Garnier Skin Active micellar cleansing water to see how it comes off. So now that you've got it on here, the micellar you just press and wipe. See, it does leave a stain there. Not my favorite color, but see all that pigment. It actually shows up a little bit more purpley on camera. But when you're applying lip stains, what you can do is apply it. Where did it go? You can apply it and then blot it and then put it on again. That way you have a nice pigment set. So again, this is the Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics 100% vegan and cruelty free in Black Dahlia. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. See if you like it. And thanks so much for watching.